Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a folder to file your email on the desktop application Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start this tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the desktop application, Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, let's go to our inbox. Where we have all the emails available that we have received. Let's then go to Organize. Create a new folder, which will be created underneath our inbox. Let's now change the name to, let's just say, Microsoft Email. Enter. And the ideology behind this folder is to have all the emails from Microsoft filed in this folder to decrease the amount of mess that could be in the inbox. Let's now go to Inbox. Go to Microsoft Viva. We can now right click and see if there are options available to move to that specific folder. Move, choose folder. Microsoft Email, there we go. Click on Move, and now if we navigate into that folder itself, we have that email available in that folder that has been filed by us for safekeeping. What we can also do in the near future is create a rule so that every time we receive an email from that email address, it will be automatically filed and moved into that folder, so we can then not have to worry about extensive searches, scrolling. We can simply just go to that folder and the new emails or the previous emails will be in that folder. So we can now quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.